Hey everyone, my name's Steve, welcome back to another video. If you're new to these videos, they're all about my Porsche 992 Carrera. In the last video I asked a question about tyre sealant. Since that video has been posted, there's been some comments on there. One subscriber's kindly helped me out with some information I didn't know, and I'm going to share that with you today. So if we open the front, as previously in the last video, I found that there was tyre sealant inside this location in this bottle. I naively didn't realise that was to fix a tyre by the side of the road. I thought it might have been for something else. I'm so used to other systems where you get a kind of foam or something that this was new to me, but this is the tyre sealant. Now, it would appear that it's actually behind this plastic. And if you go looking for the battery, you'll find that the battery is here, which I did know about. You can't actually lift this plastic up and reveal the underneaths. So this here, actually, if you can see the logo, is the tyre pump. So we'll lift the plastic top up there. There you can see that is the inflator for the tyre. So you would use a sealant in this inflator if you could get the car back on the move using these two items, if you can get the tyre reinflated.
In the event that your tire gets a small cut or puncture in the tread, your Porsche is equipped with an emergency tire sealant kit and an air compressor to allow the car to be driven a short distance to your nearest authorized Porsche dealer. Open the sealant kit, remove the tire sealant bottle, and shake the bottle to mix the contents. Remove the valve cap and, using the tool provided in the kit, unscrew and remove the valve insert. Next, remove the plug from the filler hose and push the hose fully onto the tire valve. Hold the bottle higher than the level of the tire valve and squeeze it until the bottle is emptied into the tire. Securely screw the valve insert back into the tire valve. A spare valve insert is provided in the kit if needed. Inflate the tire to at least 37 psi. If this pressure cannot be reached or maintained, the tire is too severely damaged and must be replaced before driving the vehicle. If the tire holds pressure, screw the valve cap onto the tire valve. Here are some important safety tips.
So there you go, that's the location of the tyre pump there. Just for reference, I didn't show it on camera because it was extremely fiddly and required both hands, but that plastic thing does go back. You just need to remember that this rubber lip here does actually go over the top, and you'll have to remember to put it back over to make sure that that's still got its rubber seal over there. The alternative situation is if you can't get that tyre reinflated, you do have the option to ring Porsche Assist. Now you can do this in a couple of different ways. You could just ring the number direct, or you can go through the Porsche Connect app, which is on your phone. I'm going to put a little sequence up there now of how that app works and how to find that. You can either go through the Porsche Connect app, or you can go through the My Porsche app. I think there's also a section in the car where you can also ring through the PCM information. There's also actually a very good tyre pressure system on the car, and it's available through the dash. I flicked through it before in the digital dash video, but I'll show it to you again here. So here in the dash you can see that one of the selections you can make for the second dial is the tyre pressure. You've got to go over 50 miles an hour to read it. But from experience in both this and the 718 Cayman, I found it to be fairly accurate. There's also a selection of videos, and you can access them through your dashboard, or you can actually go through the videos on the Porsche Connect app, and there's a very good video about the tyre pressure information that I will show to you now. So there you go, that was a quick video explaining where the tyre pump and what the sealant's for. Thank you very much to the subscriber that helped me out. I hope that this video helps other people out if you're looking for that tyre pump, because I did a Google and I couldn't find information straight away, but hopefully this will pop up if anybody else is looking for it. A shout out to the subscriber. I've put his Instagram in the details below if you want to go and check that out and follow him. If you enjoyed the video, if you could please give it a like. If you want to see more about the car, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye.